Here are the key features of the LG 7kg 5-star inverter touch panel fully automatic front-load washing machine with inbuilt heater, FHM1207SDM, in middle blackwood steam for hygiene wash. 1. Capacity, 7 kg, suitable for small to medium-sized families. 2. Energy efficiency, 5-star rating ensures energy savings and lower electricity bills. 3. Inverter technology, provides optimized energy consumption and quieter operation. 4. Touch panel, easy to use touch controls for selecting programs and adjusting settings. 5. Front load design, allows for efficient and gentle washing of clothes. 6. Inbuilt heater, the machine comes with an inbuilt heater that can heat water to higher temperatures, aiding in effective stain removal and hygiene wash. 7. Steam for hygiene wash, the steam feature helps in eliminating allergens, bacteria, and tough stains, providing a hygienic wash for your clothes. 8. Multiple wash programs, offers a variety of wash programs to suit different fabric types and laundry needs. 9. Direct drive technology, the motor is directly attached to the drum, reducing noise, vibrations, and energy loss. 10. Smart diagnosis, enables easy troubleshooting by diagnosing and resolving issues using the smartphone app. 11. Child lock, prevents accidental program changes and enhances safety, especially in households with children. 12. Drum clean, an option to clean the drum, ensuring it remains fresh and free from odor-causing bacteria. 13. Delay start, allows you to delay the start of the wash cycle as per your convenience. Review. The LG 7kg 5-star inverter touch panel fully automatic front-load washing machine with inbuilt heater, FHM1207SDM, is a highly efficient and feature-rich appliance. The inbuilt heater and steam function provide excellent cleaning performance, making it ideal for households that prioritize hygiene. The touch panel adds convenience and ease of use, while the energy efficiency rating ensures reduced energy consumption. The machine's multiple wash programs cater to different fabric types, allowing for customized and gentle care of your clothes. The direct drive technology minimizes noise and vibrations, providing a quiet washing experience. The smart diagnosis feature is a handy addition for quick troubleshooting. Overall, this LG washing machine is a reliable and high-performing choice for those seeking a top-quality front-load washing machine with advanced features.